Hi guys, welcome to your 7th tutorial on html5. Let's continue on with these tags. Right? So we looked at the address tag, there's my comment first. We then looked at we looked at this one first, the abbreviation tag up here. Oops, I should have started there first, shouldn't I? And the accept. And now I just want to go through one called a citation tag, right? So we have a block quote, and you'll see what the block quote does in a minute. So we'll actually put this into a quotation form, right? So we can cite an address, but I'm just putting Google down because I don't use any other links here for Russia. And in here, I've also put a site, right? So I'm citing this piece of passage, right? Even though it means nothing, right? I'm just putting it as a site. So when I run that, this is what I get. Okay, so see the way it's shifted in here? We have our block, and in here we cite. See this here? It's just like a little piece of it's like italicized, you know. But you put in here like you can put in here like write down like data structures of something, blah blah blah. Just the main gist of what you're actually doing on with those tags, you know. So basically that's a simple one there for you. This text again is just Laura Ipsum paste, random standard jumbled words of text that means nothing, right? So that's that one. So we've gone through those, and what I'll do in the next one, instead, what I'm not doing anymore is doing loads of typing on screen, delaying you guys, as that's just a waste of time. You can look at it yourself and just type it up. Okay, it's easier and it saves time as well for me and for you. So in the next one, I'm going to put a few more tags down. I'll write them out. I might show some code examples of them. I run them here. I'm not sure. We'll see how we get on, and I'll talk to you then. Bye bye.